In this video, we will be showing you how to install our Big Hitch Products 07.5 to 14 GM short box below roll pan 2-inch receiver. First, you will have to remove the factory receiver hitch bolts. After the bolts have been removed, you can then remove the factory receiver. You will then have to remove the trailer plug from the rear bumper, as well as unhook the rear bumper wiring from the junction block. You can then remove the factory rear bumper by removing the 3 bolts on both sides. The factory mounting holes in the frame will need to be reamed out to 5/8 of an inch to accept the new hardware. Once the holes have been reamed out, the new hardware can be inserted. Now you can install the new receiver with the new hardware. Snug all bolts up first, then torque to 150 foot-pounds. Finally, you can secure wiring and attach the trailer plug for easy access when towing.